These are some uncommon tips to get your first job in product design slash UX UI design. I can't even keep up with it. Create an arsenal of questions to answer. And what I mean by that is every time you do a portfolio presentation, people are going to ask you questions, and sometimes they're going to feel so random and out of the blue, and you won't feel prepared for it. What you should do after every interview is to write down questions that they ask you, so you can be prepared the next time an interviewer asks those questions to you. Because you can go on Google and look for those generic interview questions, but as a designer, sometimes those questions are as specific as, why did you choose to design the chart that way? Why is that thing that color? Just practice as many questions as you can. One of my favorite point is the briefcase method. The briefcase method is a little more time consuming. You go in, look at their product, identify a few problems and room for improvement that you'd like to design for, and then click share your screen, walk them through a design solution, and basically do the work that you are probably going to be hired for. What that does is that it shows them, hey, this person is actually ready to do the job. This is a really impressive way to make an impression, but it's a little more time consuming, but I think it's really worth it.